Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a lobster roll. So for ingredients, let's check down below. So this is a lobster roll. So the main ingredients you will need is lobster. The one that I have here is a live lobsters. So if you want to cook the lobster, you want to kill it in a humane way. So here there is a line. You can pretty much stab this or crack this with the knife, and then you can boil it between 8 to 12 minutes depending how big is your lobsters. Mine is about 1.5 pounds. For the bun, I'm using a hot dog style bun. You can use a New England bun if you like, but usually if you want to make it nice, just like in the restaurants, you can trim the side so it looks like a restaurant style. But for me, because this is a home style cooking, I'm just gonna use as is. For the sauce or the mayonnaise sauce, so I will have here is about half a cup of mayo, a green onion, celery, butter is about 4 tablespoons, 1 of lemon, and then this is the lemon zest. The lemon, we're not going to use the whole thing. We're going to use for about 1 to 2 tablespoons. So depending if you like. So usually what I do is pretty much I taste it before I serve or I use it as a sauce. So you probably need between 1 to 2 tablespoons for the lemon. And then you will need also a salt and pepper for your seasoning. So now let's get cooking. Alright guys, if you see my water, it's boiling. Now this water I already seasoned with salt, so I heavily seasoned with salt. So now I'm gonna cook my lobster for about 10 minutes. Alright guys, so after about 10 to 11 minutes, now I'm gonna put this in a nice cold water. What it does is gonna stop the cooking process. So after in the cold water for about 2 minutes, I'm gonna take it out and then extract all the meat. So now I already extract the meat from the lobster. I have melted butter over here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the melted butter in the chopped meat. So I'm gonna coat all the meat in the butter. The butter that I use is unsalted. So if you want to use the salted butter, make sure when you cook this in the boiling water, you don't have to salt it out. So now I'm just going to leave it on the side. Now we're going to make the sauce. Now for the sauce, half a cup of mayo. I want to season with a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, 1 zest of lemon, celery, green onion, and then the juice from half a lemon. So now we're gonna mix them up. I want to give it a little taste. Perfect seasoning. Half of a lemon is good, so you don't have to add more. Now, when everything is mixed, I'm gonna add the lobster, and then you can mix them all. So now we're gonna toast the hot dog buns, and then we're gonna put it on the toaster, and then we're gonna serve it. Now my bun is warm, so I slightly toast it. So now you can start filling it. And then for the garnish, I'm just gonna put a little bit of green onion on top. Alright guys, so the lobster roll is ready to go. So give it a try. It's a nice and simple recipe. And then if you live in Montreal right now, it's lobster season, so they're on sale. So give it a try. So it's became cheap. But if not, give it a try. It's good. So that's it for our today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe it's cost you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.